Citroën has unveiled the new C4X, an innovative vehicle designed for the European market. The C4X combines a sleek and elegant silhouette with the practicality of a spacious four-door car and the ruggedness of an SUV. It represents a harmonious blend of style, comfort, and advanced technology, all while offering a choice of hybrid and electric powertrains. The vehicle's front end features Citroën's latest design language, with slim, elegant LED headlights and a distinctive light signature. The precision shaping of the headlamp blades and the aerodynamic design optimize efficiency and energy performance. The front bumper has a modern grille, SUV-inspired skid plate, and bold color accents that emphasize the car's strong and confident appearance. The side profile of the C4X showcases new 18-inch wheels with an aerodynamic, diamond-finished design. The streamlined side guards give the car a more dynamic look, and the rear end remains largely unchanged. The boot lid's vertical section slopes forward, highlighting the car's sporty dynamism. The rear LED lights align with the front lighting, and the new Citroën logo adds a modern touch. Citroën has introduced new colors for the C4X, including Manhattan Green and Mercury Gray, alongside existing options like Eclipse Blue and Elixir Red. The Advanced Comfort seats have been redesigned for maximum comfort, featuring thicker foam and ergonomic adjustments to enhance the driving experience. The progressive hydraulic cushioned suspension system absorbs road imperfections, creating a flying carpet sensation for a smoother ride. The C4X also includes an upgraded dashboard, with a new 7-inch high-definition digital instrument cluster and a 10-inch touchscreen for a modern, intuitive interface. This system can be customized with widgets for easy access to applications and information. The vehicle's voice recognition system, powered by ChatGPT, allows for natural interaction and voice commands, enhancing the overall onboard experience. Wireless smartphone integration and over-the-air updates ensure the infotainment system remains current and user-friendly. Safety is a top priority, with the C4X offering up to 20 advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, including active safety brake, collision risk alert, highway driver assist, and adaptive cruise control with stop and go. These systems provide semi-autonomous driving capabilities, making long journeys more comfortable and safer. Additional features like blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, and a 360-degree camera system help drivers navigate with confidence. The C4X boasts a spacious interior, with ample legroom, shoulder space, and boot capacity. The boot offers 510 liters of storage, making it suitable for professionals and rental services. In terms of powertrain options, the C4X offers hybrid and electric variants. The Hybrid 136 and Hybrid 100 versions provide efficient power while reducing fuel consumption and CO2 emissions by around 20%. The electric models, with power outputs of 110 kilowatts and 115 kilowatts, offer ranges of up to 425 kilometers. These electrified versions aim to ease the transition to electric driving by offering a practical and efficient solution for daily use. Overall, the new Citroën C4X is a perfect blend of elegance, functionality, and technological innovation. It meets the demands of modern drivers while offering comfort, safety, and efficient performance in both urban and long-distance driving conditions.